Janika and I am your German teacher. In the next videos, I'd like to teach you everything about der, die, das. So, if you've never heard about der, die, das, please watch the following videos. Have fun! Before I start with any detailed information about the articles in German, I'd like to give you some basic information. As you've maybe noticed, in English you just have one article, which is the. I know I'm not good at pronouncing a th, please forgive me, but I guess I know what I mean. So, in German you have three articles. So, the article, the definite article, the, can be in German der, die, das. Why do we have three articles? Yeah, why? German still has a gender for all nouns. What do I mean by gender? Like in English, you have he, she, it for persons, yeah? He is a boy, or she is a girl or a woman, and it can be used for objects, yeah? Like put it on the table, if you say to anybody, put this or put it on the table. Okay, in German it is a little bit different because, yeah, we also do have he, she, it, but we use also der, die, das for all kind of objects. Example giving, a table. The table in German is male. Of course, it is not related to the physical gender because a table in theory has like no gender, it's just a grammatical gender. Or the bag, die Tasche, is female, and an example for neutrum is das Kind, the child. Yeah, so in the next videos you will learn how you can find out the article, the gender of the nouns. So yeah, have fun watching the videos, and yeah, thank you. If you want to learn more German, just come to my beginners course. The course starts in March 2023, but the slots are limited and in December the price is still reduced, so maybe it would be good if you book it right now. The link is in the description, and I'm really looking forward to see you, to talk to you, and yeah, see you there. Bye bye.